In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva poster in just 5 minutes. Canva is a wonderfully user-friendly tool, perfect for creating eye-catching designs even if you're not a graphic design expert. Whether you're crafting a poster for an event, a promotional piece for your business, or something fun for personal use, these steps will guide you through the process, ensuring you end up with a stunning final product. To begin, navigate to the Canva website. If you don't have an account yet, it's a quick and easy setup that grants you access to a plethora of design resources. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the button to create a new design. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Poster from the list of options. Canva sets up a template with the ideal dimensions for a standard poster, which will save you time and hassle later on with resizing or formatting issues. Next, explore Canva's extensive library of poster templates. These are ready-made designs that can serve as a fantastic springboard for your creativity. You can customize your chosen template to fit your theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and images to your liking. This is where you let your vision shine, and Canva's intuitive interface makes it easy to drag and drop elements, ensuring your poster is uniquely yours. With a template selected, head over to the Elements tab. Here, you can add eye-catching visuals to your poster, such as illustrations, shapes, or photos. These elements can really make your poster pop and draw attention. Simply type in a keyword related to your project in the search bar and browse through the selection. Remember, visuals are a powerful communication tool, so choose ones that align with your message and brand. Now, it's time to focus on your text. Click on the Text tab to add a bold and large message. This is your headline and should immediately grab the viewer's attention. Canva offers a variety of fonts, so try a few options until you find one that complements your overall design. Keep your message concise yet powerful, as it's the focal point of your poster. After your headline is set, add additional details and a clear call to action, often abbreviated as a CTA. This might include the date, time, and location of an event, or contact information for a business, accompanied by instructions like, visit our website, or sign up today. Your CTA should guide the viewer on what to do next. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Click the Share button in the top right corner and choose to download your poster as either a PNG or PDF file. Each format has its own merits depending on whether you intend to print the poster or circulate it digitally. And there you have it, a beautifully designed Canva poster ready in just 5 minutes. With these foundational steps, you're well on your way to creating many more visually appealing designs. Happy designing!